Hi, this is Jason. I just wanted to make you aware of something, just in case you didn't know about this service that I offer. When you buy one of our templates, you get two options. You get the You Do It option, which is where we give you all of the template, all of the campaign, the whole thing goes into your Kartra account. And then obviously I train you how to edit it and then give you support. But the other option, let me just scroll down to this one. This is for the Kartra automated webinar funnel, just as an example. We've got this, the Done For You option. And what that means is we just give you a list, a little bit like this. There we go. So this is what we'll provide you with, a spreadsheet, and it tells you every little page that you need to find content for, has a link to that page so that you can just go and have a quick look at it and go, oh, okay, so we need some written content on there. And we put it here as well. And then once you have done that, maybe you've just put it into a Google Doc like this, we can just go and grab it and grab all of your logos and everything. We can see all of the color scheme, colors that you like, and then we'll go and apply it to that funnel for you. And that will save you a lot of time. And if you've kind of in that situation where you're thinking, oh man, I've got to go through the training videos and everything, and although they're very clear and they're easy to do, it still takes you some time. And if you're short on time, but you're able to do this, then we can really help you. So let's just again take this example here of the Kartra automated funnel. Now, oh, we've got a page open somewhere already with that. Let me just take a look. Here we go. So here's all of the pages for that particular funnel that you will have to go through and edit. But if you provide us with everything we need, i.e. your logo, your color scheme, the video that goes in there and stuff, then we'll just go through and do the whole lot for you, make sure everything's working perfectly, and then literally hand the funnel over completely done. So it's just saves you another lot of time in going through this process. What does it cost? Well, you're looking for a funnel like that. Bearing in mind there is with this automated webinar funnel, that also comes with a full membership. So if you're selling an online course, then we're talking about adding all of your content to a membership area as well. So there's a lot of sort of manual work involved, but with us helping you, all you've got to do is to create your content. So you're always going to have done that anyway. You're always going to have to create, your own videos and stuff and your own written course content. But we'll add it all for you and just make it into a systemized process. You can just jump on this spreadsheet and go, great, I've done that. And then we'll get on with it. And as soon as you're finished, that's it. We will get the whole thing up and running for you and for a very reasonable price. So every funnel, if you go to our funnels here, every funnel will have that price. So let's just say that, we're doing just a course membership funnel, for example. Then that would be cheaper because there's less work for us to do. We are going to add your content to a membership area still, but we don't have lots and lots of different pages to do. So it will vary depending on the funnel. Now, if you have already purchased the funnel on a DIY basis, don't worry, and you want to upgrade to have us do it, just reply to this email and say which funnel you've purchased that you want to upgrade to the Done For You, and then we'll get in touch with you. We'll send you a payment link for the difference between the two. So for example, if you've bought the course membership at $197, you'll just need to pay an extra $500, and then we'll do it all for you and get it done as fast as possible. We'll have a team ready and waiting to crack on and then liaise with you and make it happen. Because sometimes life gets in the way, as I'm sure you know, and even with your, best efforts, you're just not quite getting that online business going and getting the funnel working for you to generate some money. So any questions at all, as I say, just reply to this email. You want to upgrade, just reply to this email and tell us which funnel, and then we'll get busy for you. All right, thanks a lot and have a good one.